Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the human body, about 2% of our body weight, and one of the most important. The majority of calcium, 99%, is part of the hydroxyapatite crystal found in the bones and teeth. The remaining 1% is found in the blood and soft tissues. Our bodies use vitamin D and two hormones, parathyroid hormone and calcitonin, to control adequate levels of calcium in our blood. When calcium is freely available in our diets, it is absorbed in the upper small intestine. When there is too little calcium available in the foods we eat, our bodies use the process of resorption to increase calcium levels in the blood. During resorption, osteoclasts break down the surface of the bone, releasing calcium into the bloodstream. Over prolonged periods, the process reduced bone density. The majority of the dietary calcium we consume is absorbed in the upper small intestine, where the environment is more acidic. The active transport of calcium across the intestinal cell membrane requires active vitamin D, also known as 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D. Once calcium has been absorbed, the blood levels rise, stimulating the thyroid gland to release calcitonin. This thyroid hormone inhibits the effects of vitamin D, resulting in the decreased reabsorption of calcium by the kidney, limited calcium absorption in the intestines, and inhibiting osteoclast cells in the bone. The result of these actions is decreased blood calcium levels. When blood calcium levels fall, this signals the parathyroid gland, located behind the thyroid, to release the parathyroid hormone, or PTH. PTH stimulates the activation of vitamin D in the kidneys. Together, PTH and 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D stimulate calcium reabsorption by the kidneys and osteoclast cells to break down bone, releasing calcium into the blood. Finally, 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D enhances calcium absorption in the intestines. The result of these activities is a return to normal of blood calcium levels. Thus, to maintain healthy bone density, you need to consume enough calcium and vitamin D.